Hello everyone, Teacher Natalie here, the EdTech Wizard. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is here to give tips and tricks to help you become the best online teacher you can be. So, if you are new here, I currently teach for Outschool, and Outschool is a wonderful online teaching platform where I can create my own lessons, teach on my own schedule, and reach students from around the world. It is amazing. So the platform Outschool uses is Zoom. I teach my classes through Zoom, and I want to share a very cool feature with you that you can use in your lessons, and that is how to share a portion of your screen. Now we all know how to share screen, and that shares your whole screen, but how do you share just a portion of it? If you want students just to see something, see just your slide, how do you do that? Let me show you. Before we jump into that cool little nifty tip, I do have 2 videos if you are interested in learning more about Zoom. Maybe you are new to Zoom and you need to know those features before you teach your first class. Maybe you've taught Zoom for a little bit, but you know there are more features to Zoom. So I have 2 videos I've got you covered if you are interested in those to help you be successful when teaching on Zoom. So let's jump back into today's video, how to share a portion of your screen. So let me jump into Zoom and we'll get started. Here in Zoom, now let's see how to share a portion of your screen. So you're going to click down at the bottom menu, click Share, go to Advanced, not Basic, Advanced, and you're going to click Portion of Screen, click Share, and it will pop up with a green box. Now this green box will tell you what your students can see. Anything in the green box your students can see. So I like to use this because I can still see my slides off to the side. That way let me move that. That way if students are if the class is going a little slower, maybe we can't cover all of my slides off to the side, I can pick and choose what slides I want to share to go over with my students, but they can't see that I am picking and choosing slides. Another great feature for this is because I teach math and I like to use a lot of interactive slides in my presentations. My manipulatives are on screen. So this allows me to still move these pieces. If my slides are in present mode, I cannot move my pieces. If I share my whole screen, then students get all of this, and that can be a little busy and distracting. I just want them to focus on what is on my slides. So this is a fantastic way to still do that. Now, let's jump back. This share portion of your screen is also great when you are sharing YouTube videos. I like to, in another tab, have the video already pulled up and watched it just enough to get rid of those ads. Then when it's time for you to watch that video clip, just share a portion of that screen and highlight that video. That way students cannot see what is off to the side. They can't see any of the comments or the title that the video is. It just shares that video that you want them to see. So I use sharing a portion of your screen when I teach my classes on Zoom all the time. So you can use it to be able to still see the slides as you are teaching. I can still see my slides as I'm teaching. That way I can gauge if I need to jump ahead a slide or slow up and cover all my slides. I can see all that to the side. My students can't. I use a lot of interactive features because I teach math. I love being able to have my manipulatives right on the screen, and that allows me to still move them, but it gets rid of all of the other distractions up on or in the slides. And it is great for videos, so I can highlight just that video I want students to see. Another cool thing is it remembers. That box remembers. So when you go to share your screen again, that box is going to pop up in the same size and the same place as it was the last time you used it, which is fantastic because I don't have to rearrange that box every time. Now, if I have to move it, then yes, that's fine. But most of the time it's for slides and it pops up in the same spot every time. I hope this video was helpful because this is a great feature for you to use in your Zoom lessons. And like I said at the beginning, I have 2 videos if you're interested in more features of Zoom to help you become a better online teacher. So I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below on if you use this feature or what features you would like to use. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.